A short linear object of length b lies along the axis of a concave mirror of focal length f at a distance u from the pole of the mirror. What is the size of the image? Now first of all, consider that this is a concave mirror, this is the principal axis, and an object lies over here. Okay, let us say the length of the object over here is equal to, over the length of the object is given as b. Okay, it is lying along the axis. Okay, it is lying along the axis. Okay, and not perpendicular to the axis. Its distance from the mirror over here is equal to u. Okay. I will consider 2 points over here, a and b. The focal length of the mirror is equal to f. Okay, and over here if I consider the nearest point to the mirror, the nearest point to the mirror has a distance u. So the farthest point from the mirror will have a distance of u plus b. But over here it is given that a very short linear object, okay, it is specified that it is very short linear object. So u plus b will approximately be equal to u, but I will substitute this later. Okay, let us first find out the position of the image for both of this a and for b. Okay, so over here let us find out the position of a and b over here. Okay, I can say that I will use the mirror formula, 1 by v plus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. Okay, 1 by v plus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. So over here 1 by v, let us first substitute for this part for point a, minus 1 by u is equal to minus 1 by f. Okay, so yeah, I can say that it will be equal to 1 by v. Okay, or v for that is the image for the a, it will be equal to minus 1 by f plus 1 by u, which is equal to, over here if I simplify this part, va will be equal to f into u divided by f into u divided by, it will be equal to f minus u. Okay, f into u divided by f minus u. Let this be equation number 1. Let us consider the second equation, that is for the position for the point b. Okay, the image for the point b, I will use the same formula, 1 by vb minus 1 by u plus b. Okay, u plus b is equal to minus 1 by f. Okay, I have substituted the same term. So 1 by vb will be equal to minus 1 by f plus over here 1 by u plus b. Okay, so the same term over here, vb will be equal to f into u plus b divided by, it will be equal to f minus u plus b. Okay, f minus u plus b. So the distance between these two positions, let us say the two positions obtained are somewhere over here. Okay, let me mark the position of the image as somewhere over here. This is a dash and this is b dash. Let us say somewhere over here. Okay, I do not know the exact value. Let us say it is somewhere over here. Okay, so now I can say that the distance between them will be equal to, now the size of the image will be equal to vb minus va. When I subtract this part, it will be equal to fu plus fb divided by f minus u plus b minus of fu divided by f minus u. So when I substitute these values, f minus u, so it will be equal to f, I can take it as f common. Okay, u plus b. Okay, minus or multiplied by f minus u. Okay, minus f into u into over here f minus u plus b. Okay, divided by f minus u plus b into f minus u. Okay, this is the actual method of finding it. Okay, so when I open this bracket, it will be equal to f square u minus f u square. Okay, plus f square b minus f b u minus, over here it will be equal to f u square. Okay, f u square plus it will be equal to plus f square u, sorry, not f u square, it will be equal to f square u minus it will be equal to plus. Okay, it will be equal to f u square plus f u into b. Okay, it will be equal to plus f u into b. Okay, divided by, it will be equal to, let this term be as it is. Okay, I will substitute this term later. Okay, let us see the numerator first, we will see the denominator later. Okay, so over here I can clearly say that over here, let us see what are the terms that are getting cancelled out. F square u and f minus f u square will get cancelled out. Okay, minus f u square and plus fu square will get cancelled out. Okay, this term will also get cancelled out. It will be equal to if I take this term, on the only term remaining over here is okay, and fub, and this term will also get cancelled out, minus fbu plus fub, this term will also get cancelled out. So it will be equal to f square into b divided by f minus u plus b into f minus u. So over here I can say that b is very small as compared to u, so u plus b will be approximately equal to u. So in the denominator it will be equal to f square divided by f minus u the whole square into b. Okay, so f square divided by f minus u the whole square into b, which is option number f minus u the whole square, or u minus f the whole square into b, which is option number b. This is the size of the image. Okay, this is the size of the image that I have obtained.